Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a game with a story on Scratch. First, just go to costumes, delete this sprite, press delete. Or actually, let's just start with choosing the backdrop. So, I want to make a game with a story like space, like with the space dog thingy. And make this like an inside staircase. No. There. No. Bedroom. No. I have to think of something. I'm just gonna write space and choose this one. Okay, so this will be the first backdrop. So when green flag clicked, set backdrop to Space City 1. Okay, now we'll add a new sprite. Space dog, maybe? I remember there was like a space dog sprite. Dot. Yeah, that. Put a maybe a 0. No, 0. That's good. 0. When green flag click, go to 0, x0, y3. And then I put a show and put a say block. We could say no, not that. Actually, I'll make another sprite. Make like cover. I'm not sure now. No, it just doesn't matter. Go to dot, but say, you can say whatever you want since it's your own story. But what I'm gonna do is write say with just this block. Say, let's see. I was chosen to go explore new galaxy. I'm just seeing if I should choose another. Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay, so I'm putting 0 minus 10. Yeah, that's why I chose this one. I've chosen to go explore new galaxies. Switch back group to Greek theater. Delete this one. I've chosen to explore new galaxies. For 3 seconds. Let's try it now. I've just chosen to go explore new galaxies. Okay. And put another say block. Use the arrow keys to move to the arrow. So, and then I'll just make a arrow. Here. So, put a forever block. Else, if key right arrow press, change x by 10. Put a if, I don't know why, if left arrow press, change x by -10. No, not -20, -10. Let's try it. Also put the arrow when you click go show, go to back layer, a forever block, if touching dot, which I want to rename to space dog because it sounds nice, space dog. And then arrow, space dog, hide, broadcast, spaceship, because that I'm gonna make it go to the spaceship when he touches it. Yeah, okay, so it hid, so when I receive spaceship, I'll put a space ship. Okay. We receive spaceship, switch backdrop to spaceship. And also put when I receive spaceship, for this one when I receive spaceship, I'm going to be putting it like to here. So let's try it out. Yeah, so that's fine. Okay, and we're in the spaceship. I'm also gonna, so here I'm gonna do, you have to, I'm gonna, so then you have to use the WASD keys to keep the spaceship on track. Like I'll make two variables. So let's put a variable, just delete the my variable because you won't need. Create a variable, call it X position maybe? No, not X position. Position, okay, so I'll use position. Put the position here. So he will say, use the WASD keys to move. No, use the A and D keys, because we only need that, to move the spaceship and make sure it is in the correct position. Okay, this should take 4 seconds. Watching. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put another say block with if the position is more than 50, you will die. If the position is less than 1, you will also die. Okay, so this is also 4 seconds. It's the same length text. Okay, so put a forever block. Okay, so yeah, use A and D keys. So we'll do if, put an if else block. If key A pressed, just put D because it's easier to start with that. Key D pressed, change position by 1, duplicate that, and put a key A pressed, change position by -1. Okay, let's try. Oh my, that is too much, I'd say. Wait 1 second, maybe? No, that's too easy, I'd say. Wait 0.3. Put another weight 0. Put an L. Change position. If else, another if else. Put a not, and then put an or in that not. For not, duplicate key A, and duplicate key D. So if not key D or key A press, change position by 1. Wait 0.3 seconds. Okay, so let's try it out. No idea if it will work or not. Set position to 0. Variable position in the start. Put a high variable position here and show when you receive. Yeah, that like show you. Okay. Just try not to make it too much. But of course, if you die, if you go more than 50, you don't die. I'll make it if you go less than -10. You go less than -10. And change this about -1 if you're not pressing. Okay. If else, no, just put an if position, put an or, put a bigger, more than sign. So put if position is more than. Oh wait, I'll have to do this in the next part because I don't have any time. So bye.